I want to welcome everybody to Garden Gnomes Etc. Today we're at a neighbor's house. They came to me with the idea they wanted a water feature, and we just discussed a lot of possibilities of some of the many liner kits, prefab type of things, even the bubbler kits, something simple. And this here is probably about a 20-foot flower bed, maybe about 10 feet wide. They wanted something nice and simple, something with a nice waterfalls to it. So we decided to have a halfway decent waterfalls here. They didn't want to go with a pondless type of a water feature. They wanted something with a small type of pond, because they do have a lot of little grandkids. They didn't want to have them wading through and have to worry about the safety issues. So we came up with a small universal realistic rock. This one of the smaller ponds. We have this mounted up on top of it. Very easy to put in. You dig a little bit of a, with a shovel, you set it in there, and what I did is I packed it with dry sand, place sand. Gives it a nice cushion, and this dry sand just fills in underneath all the crevices to make it safe. This here we just mounted this on top. We kind of left it where we didn't actually cut into it to put it down in there, because chances are I think we're going to probably just lift this up. We're here in Ohio. We'll probably bring the whole thing in except for the pond. We'll probably put a netting over it, take this in along with the pond. Another thing that we wanted to do is focus on lighting. We have this real cool alpine 144 LED light. It comes with red, white, and blue. As you can see, it really glistens off of the main waterfall rock, and we have it. You can set it up for different functions. You can have the thing light up as all red, all blue, all white. Maybe you want it, this right now is red and white. Now it's red, white, and blue. And it also has it where that's going into blue. But there's all kinds of different features with this where you can have it where it keeps switching. So this is kind of nice. They get the whole thing. It just keeps on changing slowly between the different colors. And then at the end it sort of goes pretty fast. So they're very happy with it. They have a nice water feature. Not quite a pondless thing, but enough to see a pond. We're going to deck it out a little bit later. She's interested in putting maybe some cool ladybugs, maybe some garden trolls, or even some gnomes. We're not sure what we're going to do on that point, but we're going to add some color, and in stage 2 we'll put some different sedums, maybe make this into a nice little rock garden. But this was a real nice way to add a nice little water feature, and plus we have it tilted, so when they're coming in behind their driveway, the patio's over here, they can see everything coming in and out of the driveway. So it's a real nice thing to have, simple, very easy to put in. This here probably a few hours, 5 hours at the most, depending if you have the sand stuff intact. We took at your neighborhood, it could be Walmart, Home Depot, or whatever. We do have the light hooked up to a sensor, sort of like a timer, where we have it come on at 9 o'clock in the evening, shuts off at 12, and that's off for the rest of the time. Our main pump here, we could probably do the same thing, but we have this on 24/7. So that's all I have here at Garden Gnomes. This is pretty cool. Very inexpensive way to go, especially when you're talking about trying to get rocks and stuff. Rocks, 30 cents a pound, and I'll tell you what, it takes a lot of rocks to make even the smallest of features. So here it looks real realistic, really nice. So that's it. That's all I got for you tonight.